Resellers or dropshippers. Expand your business by using the best cross-listing app, ZeeDrop. We support any suppliers you want. Here's our extensive list. You can upload from any website to any marketplace. Fixed pricing $16.99 per month for unlimited item listings and monitoring. You will also receive free access to Dropix, Megasaleboot, and ZeeDposh. Let's see how easily you can upload products from Amazon to Facebook Marketplace. Just utilize the red buttons. Let's run again same product to other marketplace like Poshmark. You can add a custom product by writing the title, description, price, and uploading images, and then upload it to any marketplace. ZeeDrop also offers the option to run bulk uploads from your Shopify or eBay store to any marketplace. Let's explore. Hope you enjoy.